Hey folks, today we're going to talk about something that's on a lot of people's minds: how to elevate your value and boost your confidence. We all want to feel respected, appreciated, and recognized for our contributions, but sometimes it can feel like we're just blending into the background. Well, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. There are a handful of powerful psychological strategies that have stood the test of time, and they can help you command respect, earn recognition, and ultimately, live a more fulfilling life. So let's dive right in. Strategy number 1. Learn to be rare. Have you ever noticed how scarce items are often perceived as more valuable? The same principle applies to people. When you make yourself more scarce, you automatically become more desirable. This doesn't mean you should become a hermit, withdrawing from the world. Instead, it's about understanding the power of controlled availability. By engaging in pursuits that stimulate your mind and nurture your soul, you naturally limit your availability. And when you do choose to engage with others, your presence becomes more meaningful and impactful. Strategy number 2. Become your most authentic self. Being authentic means wholeheartedly embracing who you are and living your life according to your own values and passions. When you do this, you become a magnet for people who appreciate your genuine nature. Authenticity empowers you to define your own narrative and shape your unique journey. It's about recognizing that your true self and contributions hold immense value, and that by being true to who you are, you inspire others to do the same. Strategy number 3. Learn to step back. Sometimes, the best way to command respect is to step back from situations, relationships, or endeavors that don't serve you. This isn't about quitting or giving up, but rather about recognizing your own boundaries and having the courage to walk away from things that drain you. By stepping back, you send a clear message that you value yourself enough to not settle for less. And guess what? Others will start to take notice. Strategy number 4. The art of silence. In a world that's constantly buzzing with noise and distractions, silence can be a powerful tool. When you practice the art of silence, you demonstrate a level of self-assuredness and self-possession that others find attractive. It shows that you're not driven by a need for constant attention or validation, but that you value meaningful and purposeful communication. When you use silence strategically, it can lead to more in-depth conversations and stronger connections. Strategy number 5. Command your space. This strategy is all about assertiveness. It's about speaking up when you have something valuable to offer, and not shying away from taking the lead when necessary. Command your space doesn't mean being aggressive or arrogant, but it does mean standing up for yourself and your beliefs. When you do this, you set the stage for others to recognize and appreciate you for what you bring to the table. Strategy number 6. Create your own happiness. True contentment comes from within, not from external circumstances or the validation of others. By embracing this concept, you embark on a journey of self-discovery and self-appreciation. You learn to identify the aspects of your life that bring you genuine joy, and you focus on cultivating those things. This might involve spending time in nature, pursuing personal goals, or simply enjoying the simple pleasures of life. When you find happiness within yourself, you radiate a positive energy that draws others towards you. Strategy number 7. Embrace continuous growth and learning. Life is a journey of growth and evolution. When you embrace this mindset, you become a more interesting and valuable person to be around. Actively seek out new knowledge, skills, and experiences. Read widely, take courses, and challenge yourself to step outside of your comfort zone. By constantly learning and growing, you demonstrate a commitment to personal development and inspire others to do the same. Remember, these strategies are not about manipulation or trying to be someone you're not. They're about embracing your true self, respecting your own worth, and living a life that's authentic and fulfilling. So, take these strategies to heart and watch as your value and confidence soar to new heights.